So hello guys, so the topic today is about the product of sine and cosine, and this topic is under to the integral calculus. So this will be the case number 6. So the integral of sine ax sine bx dx equals to 1 half the integral of 1 half cosine a minus bx minus cosine a plus bx dx, while the integral of cosine of ax cosine bx dx is equals to 1 half of cosine a minus bx plus cosine a plus bx dx. For the integral of sine ax cosine bx equals to the integral of 1 half sine a minus bx plus sine a plus bx dx. Gets guys? So for the first problem guys, itong sine a integral of sine ax and sine bx guys, as you can see, it is sine and sine. So sine, sine. So this will be the A and this will be the B. So the formula guys, ito yung gagamitin natin yan. Kasi sine, sine siya. So lagay natin now. 1 half of A minus B of X minus cosine of A plus B of X dx. So yung A natin represents as 8X, while the B is represents as bx ay 5x. So, game, substitute lang to. The integral of 1 half cosine of, ano ba yung letter A natin? 8 minus B is 5. Then the x minus cosine of A, 8 plus 5 of x dx. So, the integral of 1 half cosine of 3x 8 minus 5, 3x, minus cosine of 8 plus 5 is equals to what? 13x dx. Next is integrate them 1 by 1. So, yung 1 half labas ko na. And then yung 1 half masasubstitute yan sa 3x and cosine of 13x. Minus 1 half of cosine of 13x dx. So, the value of u is 3x, while the value of du is 3dx. So, the dx is equals to du over 3. du over 3. While the u is 13 of x, the derivative of this is 13 dx, while the value of the dx is equals to du over 13. Gets? Next, 1 half the integral of cosine of u represents as what? This will be our u, and dx is equals to du over 3. And this will be the u, and the dx represents as du over 13. Gets? So the dx is equals to du over 3 minus 1 half the integral of cosine of u. The dx represents as du over 13. So next is that this will be the 3. So pag nilabas natin yung 3, magiging 1/3. So 1 half times 1/3 is equals to 1/6 cosine of u du minus 1 half times, pag nilabas natin yung 13, magiging 1/13, 1 over 13. So this will be equals to 1 over 26 cosine of u du. 1 over 6. What is the integral for the cosine u? This will be equals to what? Sine u. Sine of u minus, this will be a minus sign. 1 over 26 sine of u, and don't forget the plus c. So for the value of u in the first term is what? 3x, and for the second is 13. Gets? Minus 1 over 26 sine of 13 of x plus c. So the answer is 1 over 6 sine 3x minus 1 over 26 sine 13x. Sine 13x. So this will be a 26 of sine and 13 of x, guys. Gets? So, di ba guys, madali lang to, substitute lang. Gets? So, the next problem guys, the integral of cosine 4x and the cosine of 3x dx. So, from the formula na pinakita ko kanina, pag parehas na cosine, so ito yung gagamiting formula guys. Gets? So the integral of this will be represented as A and this will be represented as B. Cosine of A, what is the value of A? 4 minus 3. The B is 3x plus the cosine of 4 is the A, 3 is the B, x dx. 1 half integral of cosine of, what is the 4 minus 3 is equals to 1 na lang. So, represents as x na lang. Kasi automatically may 1 na yun. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7 of x dx. So, integrate them 1 by 1. Pag in-integral ng 1 by 1 yan, automatically, the 1 half will be substitute. So, 1 half cosine of 7 of x dx. So, for this one, the value of u is 7x. The du is 7 dx, while the dx is equals to du over 7. Gets? So, 1 half cosine of x. Then the dx represents as du over 7. This will be u and this will be is du over 7. So 1 half, the integral of cosine of x is sine of x plus 1 half. Pag nilabas natin 7, magiging 1 over 7. 1 half times 1 over 7 is 1 over 14. The integral of cosine is negative sine u. Ang u natin guys, what is the value of u? Is 7 of x plus c. So this will be 1 half sine 7x plus c. So this will be the final answer for that problem guys. So this, eto guys, wait. Cosine of u, the integral of cosine of u is positive sine. Sorry. So this will be a positive sine and this will be positive. So the next problem is guys, the integral of sine cx cosine 5x dx. So kung mapapansin nyo kanina sa formula, pag naka-format ng sine and cosine, and this will be the use of formula guys ha. So a represents as 6x and b represents of 5x. The integral of 1 half, the sine, so the a is what? 6 minus 5, which is the b, x plus sine. The a represents as what? 6 plus 5 of x dx. So the integral of 1 half sine of x, 6 minus 5 is 1 plus sine of 6 plus 5 is 11 of x dx. Then integrate them 1 by 1, 1 half sine of x dx. Yung 1 half madidistribute sa lahat ng integral. Gets? So next, the u is 11x, while the derivative of this is 11 dx. The dx is equals to 11 ay du over 11. So this is du over 11 and this will be the u. So 1 half the integral of sine of x dx plus 1 half the integral of sine of u du over 11. So 1 half the integral of sine x equals to negative cosine of x plus, kung ang 1 half guys, pag nilabas natin ang du over 11, yung 11 magiging 1 over 11. So 2 times 11 is equals to 22. So 1 over 22. The integral of sine u is negative cosine. What is the value of u? Is 11 of x plus c. So negative 1 half cosine of x plus negative of, this will be a negative cosine of 11x plus c. So this will be the final answer guys. Gets? So thank you for watching, guys. That's all. Goodbye.